Hello all, welcome to my channel Revathi in Kitchen. Steamed chicken momos is a famous and delicious dish in Sikkim. In Sikkim, momos are staple dish and every household have their own recipes to make momos tasty and juicier. Momos are very healthy and nutritious food since they don't need much oil to make them. Momos are usually served with hot garlic, tomato sauce and warm tupkas. You can also serve it with your favorite sauce. Now to make the dumpling skin, we'll take a mixing bowl and add 1 cup of refined flour, salt, a pinch of salt and water. We'll start combining everything together. We have to knead the dough to a very stiff dough. You can add 2-3 drops of oil so that it does not dry out. You can also cover it with a wet cloth. Keep it aside for 20 to 30 minutes. Now for the stuffing, in a bowl we'll add minced chicken of about 300 grams, a bunch of spring onions finely chopped, a handful of coriander leaves chopped, 5 green chilies chopped, 2 big onions finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, few peppercorns, 1 tablespoon of lime, 1 tablespoon of oil, and start combining everything together so that everything gets mixed well. Now we'll keep the chicken stuffings aside. Take the rested dough, roll it into a long cylindrical form and start cutting into equal pieces and keep them aside. Take one of the pieces and roll it to form a thin circular wrapper. Now we'll repeat the same process and we'll finish all the wrappers and keep it aside. To make the momos, take one pressed round shaped piece and place 1 tablespoon of chicken fillings and start sealing everything together and press it so that all the edges are covered properly, and repeat the same process and finish all the momos. Now we'll take a steamer, add 2 cups of water, and when the water starts boiling, we'll arrange all the momos in the steamer and let it steam for around 20 to 25 minutes or until the momos are fully cooked. So after 20 minutes you can see that juicy and tasty momos are ready. Sikkim famous chicken momos are ready, friends. Tasty and juicy chicken momos. You can have it for evening snacks. You can serve it hot with any sauce of your taste. Friends, try this yummy recipe and comment me in the comment section. Thank you.